Hey guys, just wanted to show you something here on the Massey Ferguson, and that is what I've come to find out is a pretty common issue, and that's with the pivot plate on the joystick. When I pushed forward on the joystick, that is not supposed to happen. So what I've come to determine is that Massey uses this pivot plate on a lot of their equipment, their loaders, their backhoes, probably other stuff. And it's a weak design. And see, this is JB Weld. Didn't work out. But I just wanted to show you guys a product that I found. And this part is a replacement, aftermarket replacement for the Massey Ferguson pivot plate made by Sierra Tractor. You can kind of see the difference in thickness there. So I don't think we're going to have any issues with this Sierra Tractor part. Just kind of comparing the size or the side profile as well. Okay, I'm going to get this mounted up and I'll come back and show you what it looks like after it's been installed. Everything looks good. Everything's lined up perfectly. Looks like a very quality product, so I think this is going to work out great.